Okay, we've let our 3 pieces here set overnight so I get a good bond to it. This guy's partially bald, so we had to move, instead of cutting it off up here for the back, we have to move down some because I don't want my line here to be visible. I want to make sure I cover it with hair. We're also going to cut a little bit more out in here. Then we'll sand this all down, and then we'll be able to move on to the next step. I'm also going to use, after I get this cut down, I'll use 1 5/4 inch screws and put 2 screws in and 2 on this side. That just helps keeps this together, so over time it hopefully doesn't split open. So we'll get this down, then we'll move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.